Hello, this is Alyssa Kuntz, and this is my ME414 final project. I am going to build a motorcycle handguard.
While two of my components stayed the same, the actual front of the handguard was changed because I wanted it to match the other handguard I have on my bike. So the first step that I did was mix together a 2-part silicone to create a mold for the handguard, and once it was mixed, I just poured it into a container with the component in there, and then I just cut open the mold. I then redid this process for the lever arm and allowed both of those to cure overnight. At this point, I started mixing together the 2-part epoxy, and I just used whatever was around, so it was like some JB Weld and then some craft epoxy, and I poured those into the molds and allowed those to sit overnight. And then while that was curing, I decided to do the third component, which is a cap that is vacuum formed. I just used a sheet of ABS, threw it in the oven, and then vacuum formed down top. Enjoying my dog being chased by my bike. She loves this too much. But once I got my bike down there, I pulled out the now cured components from the silicone molds and just started sanding. I sanded for so long to get these smooth because I'm a slight perfectionist. I also sanded the ABS end cap just to get it smooth, and then I spray painted everything black to match the other handguard on my bike. The final component is able to be completely taken apart, which is different from my other handguard. If I had the option to replace both handguards, I would have used my design, but I just didn't have the materials for that, and I'm keeping this on my bike, so I decided to use my broken handguard and create another one.